Our bodies are incredible machines, constantly building and repairing themselves. They need a wide range of nutrients, including amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of protein, essential for growth and repair. Lysine is one such amino acid that our bodies cannot produce on their own. This makes it an essential amino acid, meaning we must obtain it through our diet. Lysine plays a crucial role in various bodily functions. It's vital for producing carnitine, which helps convert fat into energy. Lysine is also crucial for collagen production. Collagen forms the connective tissues in our body, such as skin, tendons, cartilage, and bones. Lysine plays a crucial role in bone health, particularly in preventing osteoporosis. Osteoporosis weakens bones, making them fragile and prone to fractures. Lysine promotes collagen production, essential for bone strength. It also enhances calcium absorption, crucial for bone mineralization. By improving calcium absorption, lysine helps maintain bone density and reduces osteoporosis risk. Lysine is vital for bone health throughout life. While lysine's role in bone health is well established, its benefits extend far beyond that. Research suggests that lysine may play a role in managing anxiety and improving mood. While more studies are needed, some evidence suggests that lysine can reduce cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Lysine has also shown potential in managing herpes simplex virus, HSV outbreaks, commonly known as cold sores. While it doesn't cure HSV, some studies suggest that lysine supplements may help reduce the frequency, severity, and duration of outbreaks. Furthermore, lysine is involved in producing carnitine, a nutrient that plays a vital role in energy production and heart health. Carnitine helps our bodies convert fat into energy, which is essential for overall metabolism. It also helps lower cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Section 4. Finding lysine in your diet. The good news is that lysine is found in various foods, making it easy to incorporate into our diet. Animal sources are generally rich in lysine, including chicken, fish, eggs, and dairy products. For those who prefer plant-based options, legumes like beans and lentils are excellent sources of lysine. Other plant-based sources of lysine include quinoa, amaranth, and pumpkin seeds. These foods, combined with a balanced diet, can provide sufficient lysine for most individuals. However, those following a strict vegan diet might need to pay closer attention to their lysine intake and consider supplementation if necessary. It's important to note that cooking methods can affect lysine levels in food. Prolonged cooking at high temperatures can destroy lysine, reducing its bioavailability. Therefore, it's best to cook lysine-rich foods using gentler methods like steaming, baking, or stir-frying to preserve their nutritional value. Section 5. Lysine supplements. Proceed with caution. While lysine is generally safe and beneficial, it's essential to approach supplementation with caution. As with any supplement, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage and assess potential interactions with medications or existing health conditions. While lysine is generally well tolerated, some individuals may experience mild side effects like nausea, diarrhea, or stomach cramps, particularly with high doses. Starting with a lower dose and gradually increasing it can help minimize these effects. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before taking lysine supplements, as its safety during these periods is not fully established. Similarly, individuals with kidney or liver problems should exercise caution, as lysine metabolism could be affected. Section 6. The right amount of lysine for you. The recommended daily intake of lysine varies depending on age, gender, and overall health. For adults, the World Health Organization recommends a daily intake of 30 milligrams per kilogram of body weight. This translates to about 2,100 milligrams for a 70-kilogram adult. However, individual needs may differ, and factors like pregnancy, breastfeeding, or certain health conditions might require adjustments to lysine intake. Consulting a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help determine the appropriate lysine intake based on individual needs and health status. In conclusion, lysine is an essential amino acid that plays a vital role in various bodily functions. From building strong bones and supporting collagen production to potentially managing anxiety and promoting heart health, lysine's benefits are numerous. By incorporating lysine-rich foods into our diet and considering supplementation when necessary, we can ensure we're providing our bodies with this essential nutrient for optimal health and well-being.